But you're extreme.
This is extreme. There's a lot of rain here in Alaska, and you've never seen this before.
This is holy hell.
Yes. My brother's fucking crazy.
Oh shit. Look at me, I'm a run!
Like, oh my god!
I'm trying to get it cold.
He's running, he's still running. This is Josh, Luigi's brother, which is insane! And there goes Luigi. Dude, check where the rock is!
Check the rock!
Nice, look where he is.
Dude, the rock moved!
Dude, go out there where the rock is. Go ahead, I have it on video camera. Oh my god!
Yo, I'm peeing in my pants right now.
Hurry up!
Dude, we're in your mountain bike.
Alright. Oh my god, dude, look. Go, check where the rock is. Where is it?
Oh, look at Luigi.
Okay.
Right back to me. Right.
How deep is it? Dude, go through the water. Go through the water. Dude, go through the big water. Oh, come on, dude, it's a mountain bike. You can go through that.
Dude, I'm soaking wet.
Already?
Dude.
No, take a picture of this.
Fish where? Dude, it's so wet.
You were.